How to install your Colorex floor. What do we need? Carpenter's square, a pressure roller, Eurocol conductive adhesive, trowel, copper tape, gloves, utility knife hooked blade, laser, hammer, pencil, folding ruler. Further information is available on the Forbo flooring site. Use the QR code on the product label to access. Check the materials for the same batch and color number to avoid color differences. Also, check if the right quantity is received. The batch number is clearly marked on the material packaging and must be checked before commencement of installation. General advice: always conduct moisture tests on all substrates. All ground-based level floors should have an effective moisture barrier temperature. The laying area is at a steady temperature of minimum 18 degrees Celsius for 48 hours prior to, during, and for 24 hours after installation. Materials should be conditioned in the same environment for at least 24 hours prior to the installation. Stack the Colorex on the floor in piles of maximum 20 tiles. Starting point: find the center of the room where to start the installation. Apply the copper strip according to the installation instructions. Apply the undercove profile along the walls. Spread the adhesive using the appropriate trowel with particular attention to edges. Begin laying tiles at the starting point. Use a heavy roller in every direction to ensure a firm bond. Each tile should be applied on a wet adhesive bed. Check if you have enough bonding between the glue, the subfloor and the tile. Then complete the installation. Cut the tiles to size using the utility knife. What do we need for coving? Folding ruler, laser, wall marker, contact glue. Apply the contact glue on the undercove and on corners. Install first the corners. Then apply the coving system on the undercove. Using the cutter, trim coving and in corners. What do we need for welding? Electric cutter, manual cutter, automatic welder, Mozart knife, manual welder. Groove all the tiles using the milling cutter. Groove manually on the walls between corners and coving system. Weld the tiles using the automatic welding machine. Weld manually on the walls between corners and coving system. The complete installation should be cleared of scrap material and debris. The floor swept or vacuumed and any traces of adhesive residues removed. Now the floor is ready to be used.